7 Best Oatmeal Recipes to Help You Lose Weight. Hi and welcome back to my channel Healthy Bites. If you're trying to lose weight and stay healthy, adding oatmeal to your diet could make all the difference. High in fiber, protein, and all kinds of good stuff. Oatmeal will give you the energy you need to power through your day, while also keeping you feeling full and stabilizing your blood sugar levels. We've rounded up 7 of the best oatmeal recipes, each designed to help you on your weight loss journey. Number 1. Blueberry Muffins with Oatmeal, 120 calories. Blueberry muffins with oatmeals are a delicious and wholesome treat that offers several benefits. They combine the natural sweetness of blueberry with the fiber-rich goodness of oatmeal. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, making them a nutritious addition to your diet. Oatmeal provides a great source of complex carbohydrates, dietary fiber, and sustained energy. These muffins are a healthier alternative to traditional high-calorie and refined sugar-laden muffins. They can be enjoyed as satisfying breakfast or snack option. Number 2. Banana Raspberry Baked Oatmeal, 200 calories. Banana Raspberry Baked Oatmeal is a delicious and nutritious breakfast option that combines the natural sweetness of bananas with a tangy flavor of raspberries. This recipe is not only tasty, but also packed with wholesome ingredients. Oatmeal is a great source of fiber, which helps you keep feeling full and satisfied throughout the morning. Bananas provide essential nutrients like potassium and vitamin C, while raspberries offer antioxidants and additional vitamins. Baking the oatmeal with these ingredients creates a warm and comforting dish that can be enjoyed straight out of the oven or reheated for a quick and easy breakfast on busy mornings. Number 3. Lemon Blueberry Pancakes with Oatmeal, 410 calories. Lemon blueberry pancakes with oatmeal are a delightful and indulgent breakfast treat that combines the zesty flavor of lemon with a burst of sweetness from blueberries. This recipe not only satisfies your cravings, but also offers some nutritional benefits. Oatmeal adds a hearty and wholesome element to the pancakes, providing fiber and sustained energy. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants and vitamins, while lemon adds a refreshing twist and a dose of vitamin C. Together, these ingredients create a pancake stack that is both delicious and nourishing. Number 4. Vegan Peanut Butter Chocolate with Oats, 360 calories. Vegan peanut butter chocolate overnight oats are a delicious and nutritious breakfast option that combines the rich flavors of peanut butter and chocolate with the convenience of overnight preparation. This recipe is not only indulgent, but also packed with wholesome ingredients that provide energy and essential nutrients. Oats offer a good source of fiber and help you keep feeling full through the morning. Peanut butter provides healthy fats and plant-based proteins, while cocoa powder adds a satisfying chocolatey taste and antioxidants. With the added benefit of being vegan, this recipe is suitable for those following a plant-based diet or looking for a dairy-free alternatives. Number 5. Banana Walnut Baked with Oatmeal, 250 calories. Banana walnut baked oatmeal is a delightful and nutritious breakfast option. It combines the natural sweetness of bananas with a satisfying crunch of walnuts. This recipe is not only delicious, but also packed with wholesome ingredients that provide energy and essential nutrients. Oats are a great source of fiber, which helps you keep feeling full and aids in digestion. Bananas are rich in potassium and provide natural sweetness without the need for added sugar. Walnuts offer healthy fats and a dose of omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health. Baking the oatmeal creates a warm and comforting texture, perfect for a cozy morning meal. Number 6. Strawberries and chocolate oatmeal, 230 calories. Strawberries and chocolate oatmeal is a delightful and indulgent breakfast option that combines the sweet and tangy flavors of fresh strawberries with a rich and decadent taste of chocolate. This recipe not only satisfies your cravings, but also provides a nutritious and energizing start to your day. Oatmeal is a great source of fiber and complex carbohydrates, which helps keep you feeling full and provide a steady release of energy. Strawberries are packed with antioxidants, vitamin C, and dietary fiber, promoting overall health and boosting your immune system. The addition of chocolate adds a touch of indulgence, while providing a dose of antioxidants and a mood-enhancing effect. This delicious combination is a perfect way to enjoy a healthy and satisfying breakfast. Last but not the least, number 7. Baked oatmeal recipes with berries, 240 calories. Baked oatmeal with berries is a delicious and nutritious breakfast option that combines the wholesome goodness of oats with the natural sweetness of berries. This recipe is a perfect way to start your day with a comforting and filling meal. Oatmeal is a great source of fiber, complex carbohydrates, and essential nutrients, providing sustained energy and promoting digestive health. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, supporting overall well-being and offering immune-boosting properties. Baking the oatmeal gives it a warm and slightly crispy texture, making it satisfying and delightful breakfast treat. And that concludes our list of our 7 best oatmeal recipes to help you lose weight. Do you happen to know any best oatmeal recipes for losing weight that we haven't listed? Feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. This way, you'll be always in the loop when it comes to the most delicious and nutritious foods out there. That's all for now. This is Healthy Bites. Bye!